Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be working in Lutz, Florida. We're gonna be doing a little job here for our first appointment, and then secondly, we got another service down in Tarpon Springs, Florida, for a friend of mine that just bought a new house. It's gonna be a little light day. It's kind of like cloudy outside. It's been raining all morning. It's supposed to slow down and you know, get better as the day goes on. So before I start, I want to thank y'all for y'all support. Make sure y'all go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel if you like this type of content. And if you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comment section. I answer all my comments and all my questions on my channel. So also today I'm gonna be the $99 guy. I've turned the page, man. Now I'm the $99 guy. I'm gonna be doing some sidewalks for $99. Now I'm kidding, man. These sidewalks are like I said, I'm 8 minutes from my house, so I'm not doing a driveway. I think it's like 25 feet, probably even less than that, of sidewalks. I'm charging the guy $100 to do it, so it's on the way out to my next appointment. Figure I'll stop and get some lunch money, man. So let's go ahead and pull up and do this job. I'll see y'all when I get there. All right, we at the job here. This is the sidewalk. Got the, like 2 squares on this side. 1, 2. And then on this side, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.5. I'll go ahead and do 8. Neighbor definitely needs their driveway clean, so I'll leave them a card. But this is what we're doing here. I might go ahead and do the street curb for them. Like I said, this is only $100, so right now it is 8:03. I'm on the way out, man. I already got the buffer tank filling up. Go ahead and crank this bad boy up and get the show on the road. Okay, we all finished. Let's go ahead and check out the job. Right now it is 8:25. These are the sidewalks. No post treatment on this one here. Everything came out good. Look at that line, man. I could have been a barber. They say bald head people make the best barbers, right? I don't know, I'm just making that up. Street curves are cleaned up. I'm already packed up already, man. 8:25. And this is the other side right here. I'll stop over here on this so you can see that straight line. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna drop some cards off to these neighbors. I'm gonna see y'all when I get to Tarpon Springs at the next job. Alright, you guys, we're at the second job for the day. We're in Tarpon Springs, Florida, at this nice little property my man just bought. I used to play football with him, man. He was my quarterback. So I've done one of his houses before, but they sold it and got this one here. So they just had the paper seal. Matt, you didn't call me for that. You probably didn't know I did that though. So but yeah, he got travertine decking, so he got that sealed about a week, 2 weeks ago. But the cage is dirty, so he wants to get the cage done before he gets the pool cleaned up. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So back here, it's like the wilderness, man. I got like a little swamp. Hope no gators in there. But this is the cage here. You can tell the green on it. Pretty green, pretty dirty. Got some mushrooms growing on it. And this thing is caked up. Oh yeah, this is, you can see it all throughout here. Let me open this up for you guys so I can show you the inside. All right, so the top section, all that green, very green, but Downstreaming is gonna take care of that. It's not gonna be nothing too heavy. Deck looks good though, man, whoever did it. I mean, I got footprints on it, but I rinsed that off. Nice little deck out here. This we're not gonna be fighting with those pine needles up there, because we'll be here all day, and you see where they live at. So this is something they're gonna have to live with. Pine needles all over the place. They're even inside the cage. Well, yeah, man, this thing is pretty green, pretty dirty. We're just gonna go ahead and hit it with a downstream mix. It's been raining all morning since like 4 o'clock, so everything is pretty much wet and drenched already. So we're definitely protected from that. I gotta get me some safety glasses, so I'll be right back. All right, we're gonna apply our downstream mix of our SH, aka chlorine, on the outside first, then follow up with it, doing the same exact thing on the inside. Give it a good bath. I'm not using a lot of surfactant today because oh, I gotta go the other way. That wind blowing this way. Oh, can't go against the wind. Ooh wee, that wind is cold. But yeah, I don't have a lot of oh yeah, that's another reason why you wear safety glasses. Just how that wind just blew all that SH over, or that overspray on me. Gotta have safety glasses. But yeah, I'm not using a lot of surfactant today because I don't want to be out here rinsing all day. Don't want to be out here rinsing all day. So you can see a little bit of it, but it's not a lot. That wind is picking up. All right, let's take a look. We just got done downstreaming the inside. As you guys can tell, I don't know, let me wipe my screen. All right, we're all finished here on the inside, downstreaming it. As you guys can see, everything is already cleaned up. I just gotta rinse it off, give it a good rinse, and we'll be done here. We're not doing the deck. I mean, it's a total transformation, man. Downstreaming gets it done. Everything is nice and white. The outside should be ready to rinse. Let's go look at outside. Oh yeah, look at that. Came out, even the mushrooms turning white. Just melted off like butter. All right, let's do a quick recap. This is the aftermath. You guys see how clean the cage looks. Downstreaming took care of that easily. Rinse the deck. That water just sitting up there, boy. They got that thing sealed. Look how it's beat up. I don't know if you guys can see it. Some good job, man. You can see the water just sitting on top. But the cage is perfectly cleaned. I don't know how to work this thing here. Look like it's stuck. I don't want to be the one to break it. But yeah, man, I did my job. You see how good this thing looks. Clean the railing over here. Nice and clean. Didn't fight with the pine needles, man. Not fighting with those. Not today, Satan. But yeah, everything's looking good. Oh, I got a little rust stain right there. That's not algae. It's rust stain. Probably from the screw in there. Those screws always bleed like that. But as far as the cage go, we good to go, guys. Let's go check out outside. This is the outside of the cage. Looking good. Looking good. Look at that, man. Let's go.